Hello friends, in this video I will make a very simple currency converter app which can convert Indian rupees to USA, USD to Indian, like that. So first start a new project. Name it as currency converter. Hit the next. I want to choose marshmallow. If you choose a API level lower than this, you can see this is 23. If you select a 20, then the supporting device will be more. It will be, the app will be supported in more devices. But for this example, I want to take this. Hit the next and choose the empty activity. According to this name, the main activity, according to this name, the one class will be created, main activity.java. It will take some time. Now you can see all the setup has been ready. Now we can start coding. Let's first go to main activity main XML file, and the default text view, I want to delete this, so click there and just hit the delete button. And now first I want to put here one image. Image view, select the image view. When you drag the image button, then this menu will be pop up. For the first time we don't have the image here, the image that we want. So first let's cut it and take one image. I have downloaded this image from net. You can take any of the image. I will put this image as a background of our app. So click in the resource, then drawable, and paste it the image. Right click here and you will be able to paste it. And one thing you have to remember, that you cannot put here capital letter in this name. It will give you some error if you put like that. So make sure you put small letter. And now we can see here the image is ready. And now I will drag this image view, and here we can see we have this image. Just hit OK. Yes, you can see we have all three constraints here. Since we are working with constraint layout, so we have to put all these constraints. If we use other layout, then it's not required to put the constraint, but constraint layout is good because it comes, if we use this constraint layout, then our app becomes responsive. It will be look better for tablets, other phones. It is so good practice to use constraint. Now we have all three constraints. There are 4 constraints. We have to fill up this constraint also. For this, let's increase the size of our image because I am unable to what is here. First, let's small. Now we can see it is the point. Click here and drag it like this. You will be able to get all this constraint. Now here we have 8. This is 8 right margin. Here we also have to put right, otherwise it gives some warning. So you can see one warning has come. This only one warning has. Now we have only one warning here. I will fix all these things, warnings. But let's increase the size of our image. I want to make it full width, so click here and match parent. This width will be match parent. This is the parent layout. The is with match with the parent. For the height, I will do also that thing match parent. Now the image is ready. This is our app background. The warning is that we have the missing content description as attribute is missing. So just for this example, I want to put some content description. So for content description, we can add any string value here. Let's say content description. This is the name, and I will put the source value as same. So now there is no error. Our background is ready. This is our app background. Now I will use one button. There will be one button and two spinner will be there, one text field will be there. In the text field, we will be able to give the number which we want to convert to other currency. Let's click here, text, plain text. So drag it here, the text field, add the constraint, we have only one last, but it is 16, it is 8. You can see we have to also 8, otherwise it warning. Let's put it here, and here we will be able to put our value, put the number, and the output will be in this text field. Here we will get the output, what is the converted value. Alright, now we don't want this text here name, so just click here, delete it, delete this text, and I don't want to show any text here like this, but I want to show a hint here. So I don't want this input type also. Cut it and again click here and put one hint. This hint will be shown in the text field like a light text. When the user will click there, then the text will go from here and go from that point, and the user will be able to write there something. So just put it hint. This is the resource name, string resource name, and value. Put here the amount or amount. That's it. Now you can see it is showing amount, and when the user will click here, then this amount will be gone and the user can put the value that way. Now one warning is showing here, hard-coded string text view. Yes, in this view we can use hard-coded string, so just delete this because we want output at this point, so we don't want any text here. Now when the user will click the button, I will add one button. When the user will click at this button, then you will be able to see the output there. So I have added the constraint for this button at the last one also. Yes, and here I will name it as convert, because when the user will put here some amount, then hit this button, then the output will be there, output currency. So I have to add some text here instead of button, add some another text and make one source value. Let's say convert. All right. Yes, now you can see it is saying convert, but the color is not so good, so we can change the color also. Again, yes, you can see there is no error. Now I will change the color here. You can choose any color. For example, I will show you only one color, how to choose color actually. I will show this thing only. Here you can see text size, it is text color. Yes, you can put here hex code. I will take 00669, or you can choose colors from by clicking this option also, but I will not click this thing now. Just see what is the color. You can see the color has become light blue, and we can change the background color also. So just click here and again get this button, and here you can see this showing background, so put one color as FF0000. I think it will be red color. Yes, you can choose any color, but just I am showing this as an example. And let's put yes. Now I will take to spinner here. So go here, spinner will be, I think, yes, you can see here, this is the spinner. I'll add one spinner here. Yes, very add here the constraint down here. It is very big to put two spinner so that the user will be able to select the currency. Here when the user will click at this point, then there will be an option to select the currency to what currency to what currency the user want to convert. So I will use this thing here for this one. I want to add one more spinner. This is the input currency, and here this will be the output currency. So put this spinner also at the constraints. Simple, easy. Yes, you can see two spinner we have added. Now let's increase the size, and you can see also you can bring this thing this right side or any other side by dragging this bar here. You can see. All right, now for this spinner we have to add string resources. I will show you this thing now. So first go to resource here, and then go to values, and then go to strings, and here we have to put some array. We have to make one array to add the currency name, that is INR, USD. We have to make one array to put this string here.